Hey everyone, so this will be a very quick unboxing here of a Samsung S24 Ultra. This one is in the purple titanium color here. I think you might call it violet titanium here. So I know this is now a older phone since it came out near the beginning of 2024, and we're now in September of 2024. But yeah, let's go ahead and look at this. So first, of course, you have the phone itself. I know my lighting is not the best for this. In my lighting here, it actually almost looks like purple blue. It's a very cool color. So get that a little bit closer. Yeah, I think this is going to depend on your lighting that the phone's underneath, but it's a very cool color. We'll come back to this in just a quick moment here. That of course is the bottom. I like to shove this stuff up into the boxes here. So, of course, there's not too much exciting stuff in here anymore. I mean, it has been for a while. Paperwork and SIM card ejector tool. Of course, you know, spend over $1,000. You do not get a charger with it. No company really gives you chargers anymore. It looks like even Motorola is doing away with the chargers. Anyway, and take off. Yeah. So, of course, this is brand new. They are on sale currently for Labor Day, which was yesterday. They're taking I think it's $300 off of them if you have no trade-in. It's either $200 or $300. So this was $1,000. Normally, I believe it's $1,200 or $1,300 for the 256 gigabyte version, like I have here. And of course, it's a very nice looking phone. Wish that was a bit more flat. Yeah, very cool purple. Very nice color. I also like the yellow on these. Look very nice. All the colors look really good. Yeah, so there we go. The violet, I believe it's called violet unboxing S24 Ultra. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.